Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna show how to set up the Flutter development environment in macOS. So and also some supporting tools like Xcode and Android Studio Code. And I'm gonna put each and every sources in a description box. So go and check it there. So for installation of the Flutter development environment, initially we begin with the installation of the homebrew. So for installing the homebrew, we can go to the website called brew.aces. From there, we can go and copy these links and paste it into the terminal. After pasting this, run this. It's asking for your password, so put it, and then it's gonna run. After completing this, you can check brew. So for me, it's already installed. It's 4.2.10. After installing this brew.sh, we can go to the website flutter.brew.sh. From there, you can copy this link, brew install dash dash cache flutter, copy this link and again come to the terminal and paste this link to the terminal and install this. For me, it's already installed. I'll show it to you by typing the command flutter version. As you can see that it's already installed for me, flutter 3.1.9.1. So but the way you can download this flutter. After doing this, move back to to the installation of the virtual studio code. So for installing VS Code, we can go to the website code.visualstudiocode.com. From there, we can go to the this link, download Mac Universal. From there, you can install like Mac OS. For me, it's already installed, so I'm not gonna download from there. After doing this, come back to the VS Code and open it. And after opening this, come to the extension tab, and we here we need to install two extension. First one is dot. This one we need to install. I already installed it. And another one is Flutter. So as you can see that you can install it from there. The way how can install it, moving moving forward, after installation of the VS Code, we must need to install Android Studio Code. Before installing the Android Studio Code, you must have to go to the terminal and type Flutter Doctor. For Flutter Doctor, you can track your error. For me, it's no issues found, but in case of you, it may be you not installed Xcode and Android Studio Code. It may be you can got error. We'll see. So for me, it was running fine. So come back to the Android, like coming back to the downloading the Android Studio Code by go to the website developer.android.com. Here, from there you can download according to your machine. So coming down, as you can see that you have to download for Mac with Intel chip and another one Mac with Apple chip. So whatever you have a machine, you have to download according to this. After downloading, I am already downloaded, so I'm not gonna download this again. So after downloading this, come back to the directly come back to the Android Studio Code. I'll open it. For me, it's already installed, so I'm gonna open my project. So one of my project is there, so I'm try to open it in the same. Yeah, it's loading right now. So click on next, 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 and close. So we are gonna able to see that it's no devices is, so we must have to add some simulator. We need some simulator to run this our Flutter application. For that we must have to download Xcode. So how do we can download Xcode? So we have to go to the Apple store. Into that we have to type Xcode. Here you can able to see that there is Xcode, so there we can download Xcode. For me it's already installed, so I'm not gonna download, but you guys, you can download it from here. So close it, and again come back to this our Android Studio Code, and we'll try to select simulator. So yeah, the simulator is opening, and we try to run this project. Yeah, it's running right now. Yeah, launch, we're able to launch it. We'll see. So yeah, it's as you can see that we are able to open it. So this is my project. We'll try to log it by putting your login details and all these things. So click on start, putting your usernames. We will type our username and password, and click on login button. So yeah, we are able to log in. We can also run this all this code in Xcode also. So we'll try to run this the same kind of project in Xcode also from here. So click on open iOS. So yeah, it's loading right now. We'll try to run this from here also. It's indexing is processing file, so it will take some time to load all those file. Click on run button. Yeah, it's open it right now. So yeah, it's this is my app. We are able to start it. So let's click on start, put some username, login. Yeah, as you can see that we are able to log it from here also by using with the help of the Xcode also. So this is the way how can uh,